Hey everybody, I'm your man Dennis Pitzenbarger here, SEMA 2019 in the UEM booth with my man Steve Valdez, and you got something for me.
Lots of LS, good, better, and best, that's for sure.
All right, Steve, I'm assuming that good is a good replacement piston for that factory cast piston. Let's start there.
That is correct. We do offer many sizes, many different model numbers available, part numbers available for our OE line, which would be on the Silv-O-Lite brand on that. Coatings available, stock ring-gland. Awesome product. Pretty much best on the line that I could say we have.
Now let's move on to better. Maybe a guy wants to put a cam headers, maybe turn it up a notch or two.
We definitely got that. We got our FHR-series LS piston, 4032 alloy. A little bit better for street strip use. If you want to throw a cam, as you say, headers, open it up a little bit. We definitely have that available. Many different applications, anything from the 4.8, 5.3, 6.0, 6.2, 7.0, anything you can think of, we got on that. LS is all covered.
Now let's go to best. Now we want to throw a little boost at it, have a little fun, see just how far we can push the product.
Oh, we can definitely do that, and that is my favorite part of that. Many different part numbers, different dome configurations, whether you want dish, you want to run some nitrous, you want to run some turbos, we definitely have that. Many sizes available, metric ring packs, all drop in, all available on the shelf. As fast as we can get them, that's as fast as they're leaving, so come and get them, guys, because they are hot right now.
All right, well, you know what? You pretty much ran down the line. If you want a stock replacement, if you just want to get another 250,000 miles out of that 5.3 in your Yukon, if you want to put some headers on it and maybe a cam go a little farther, or as you said, let's throw some boost at it and see how it goes. Steve, if they want more information, where do we send them?
www.uempistons.com.
You heard the man, SEMA 2019.